Good afternoon, everybody. How we doing today? Another day here on the Outer Banks. One of those gray, cloudy days. Figure I'd still stop in and check out the ocean. Looking a little rough today, a little choppy. It's also cold out here. We'll come check that out for a second. Head on home for the day. Guys, that's all I can stand for today, because like I said, it's a little chilly out here. Right here we're at Sutton Street, and that's in Kill Devil Hills, which is right across the street from the Wright Brothers Memorial. Speaking of Wright Brothers Memorial, there it is right there. How you doing?
Doing all right. How are you?
Good, good. Yeah, if you can see it off in the distance, that's the Wright Brothers Memorial right there on top of the hill. We're going to get back in and go on home for the day. Hope everybody's having a good day so far. Doing all right, getting over a head cold myself. Probably not a great idea to go to the cold beach while you got a cold. That's okay. Anything for the beauty of the beach. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but you can still see Wright Brothers Memorial right across the street right there. This is Sutton Street, Sutton Avenue, excuse me. All right, I'm gonna take this right like I always do, head north and go on back home. Right here is the access where you can go right across the street to the Wright Brothers Memorial entrance. That's Prospect Avenue. passing by Landing Drive, where I took you guys the other day through the Soundside neighborhoods. I am going to go back there and start working on doing the side streets. Might have time for that tomorrow, we will see. Got Goombay's here on my left, Goombay's Grill. That's one of those establishments that still has that island feel. You can go in there and feel like a pirate if you want to. But another place that's good for that is good old Jolly Rogers. And they've been around since I was a kid. And all the wait staff and the people that work in the restaurant dress like pirates to give you that real theme, all the feels. That is right here to my left. They are actually attaching a whole new building to the Jolly Roger, which is set to be a new bar and music venue. Right here on 5th Street, I can take the back side to go to Target. I actually decided to pull right in here to Avalon Fishing Pier. I haven't been in here in a really long time. Just gonna pull in, check the beach out, check the pier out. Go check it out. Alright, there it is, guys, Avalon Fishing Pier. Kind of just hopped up here on the sand dune for a minute so I could get this. Even on the cold days, I find a way to stop at the beach twice. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. I'm going to get back in the truck, continue my journey. Hope everybody has a blessed rest of the day. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.